Is it good?
Tastes like chicken a little bit, really. Ain't bad.
Hey, John, what we gonna do this morning?
A little bit of squirrel hunting.
Well, let's get after it. You miss? Huh? Where's that big poplar?
Yeah, I can't see the.
Apparently John missed. We've been staring at this tree for 10 minutes, can't find anything. He said it was a big squirrel.
I start to kind of shoot it. You want to shoot him? Come here, you can shoot him.
Got him. Smoke on the barrel.
I smoked his hide that time. I watched him.
Got on there somewhere. Are you dying?
A little bit. That was a long walk.
We're gonna do a catch and cook if we get another squirrel. John hunted here yesterday and they, well, you got 3, 4, something like that?
4.
I mean, you can tell there's shells all over the ground. He said there was one in a tree down here, but don't see no movement. I haven't heard anything move in a while. I ain't heard any birds at all. Time third.
John's pretty careful back there yet. That'll be more time. All over the place up here anyhow.
here's the beam. I ain't heard nothing in a little bit. I heard something over here. Back in there, but can't see nothing back there.
I'll have to get over to them a little bit. They're barking at.
They stopped when we walked down through here. There's a whole bunch of them there. Just have to walk over through there. Yeah. Hopefully we can get on a few of them.
Well, we'll turn y'all back on here in a few minutes. Hey, Chad, there's one right there. Got him. You did, you got it. Can't hit a bottle, but I can hit a shell. That's messed up.
Yeah. Like Chef Boyardee.
Yes, sir. Mountaineer bloodline, baby.
Got that heart in there. Cooking it up. Put a little bit of water in there. Keep it from burning up.
Done did almost.
Yeah.
But
that's all right.
That's
though.
besides the point.
That's all right though. Show you some of this mountain view. Don't try to eat the heart.
Eat the heart.
John's gonna feel that too. God, it smells good. Smell, really.
I don't know, Chad. That heart does not look too good.
You don't think so?
No, not squirrel heart. I don't believe I can do it.
You don't think you can do it?
No. Go ahead. I want to see it.
That's tough. Oh, junk. It's good for real. Here, try a bite.
Oh, God.
Seriously, try it. It's good.
Yeah, I'm good. You can try it. I'm good.
It's actually good. It really is. It really is. It's good.
I know, but I ain't done it.
She's done now.
Ready?
Is it good?
Tastes like chicken a little bit, really. Ain't bad.
Really?
No, it ain't bad. Try your piece.
That actually is good. You know what it really tastes like more than anything?
What?
It tastes like a pork chop.
Yeah, it does taste like pork chop.
That's pretty good.
Ain't bad.
I ain't eating that burnt spot.
Somebody's coming.
I don't care. That's good. What do you think about that, John?
Pretty good.
So, squirrel and eat is okay. Thumbs up for that.
They got a couple put in the freezer too today.
Oh yeah. But that's gonna be cooked with seasoning, salt, and all that. Yeah.
For the house.
Give it the good stuff. Well,
we're gonna finish this out here and call it a day.
till the next video.